Hi everyone, welcome back to the TurboForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on creating an approval flow for a Create Notification form, which will trigger a notification in SAP. Understanding the steps. Before we develop the flow, let's draw a flow chart of the different steps to save the data. Let's get started. Flow development. In the Forms list, click on the flow icon in the notification row. A list of flows will be displayed. Now click on the Create button and choose the form action flow. Title: enter Approve Notification. Description: enter description as Approve Notification created on SAP or similar. Select the On Approval option to indicate that this flow will handle an approval step. Click on Save to create the flow. You will now be able to navigate to the Flow Builder. The Add Node dialog should already be open in the Flow Builder. If not, click on the Form Action Flow node and then the plus icon displayed below it. Search for the Approval Workflow node by typing in Approval and clicking on it. The Approval Workflow node is now opened and you can configure it. Change the title to Approve Notification and remember to connect the Form Action Flow node to this node, else the Expression Builder will not display all the possible fields and nodes. For the approval form, select the Approve Reject Return template. Click on the Add Approval button to add a level of approver. For this tutorial, we will only add one level. Click on the drop-down labeled 1 and choose one of the teams displayed. The approvers will all be from this team. Set the number of approvers to 1. We want one person to approve this tutorial. Now click on the Save icon and save the node. Now, we need to create the notification. Remember, we already developed a flow to do that, so that we will reuse it now. Select the Workflow Approval node and then click on the plus icon. Search for the Subflow node by typing in Subflow and clicking on it. The Subflow node is now opened and you can configure it. Change the title to Create Notification and remember to connect the Workflow Approval Approve decision of the node to this node. For Workflow, click the drop-down menu and select Create SAP Notification Flow. Let the flow run as a part of the parent flow. We do not need to set additional parameters as the form data will automatically be passed to this subflow. Now, click on the Save icon and save the node. Connect the Create Notification node to Success. For this tutorial, we will handle Reject, Return to Sender, and Next Approver as Workflow Approval Completion by connecting to the Success node, as we do not want to perform any additional steps. Now click on the Publish button to save and compile the flow. If the compilation is successful, it will also be published, and we can run it to test. Testing the flow. We cannot test the approval flow from the Run option, as the approval needs to be sent to the user, who must then take action. This concludes our tutorial on developing approval flows in TurboForms. This powerful feature allows you to automate and streamline your approval processes, saving time and improving efficiency. Thank you for watching.